I've discovered something incredible!
Is it organic mac and cheese?
No, I hadn't thought of that, but it is just as nourishing. It's groundwater.
What do you mean, Doctor? Groundwater has been around since humans have walked the earth.
Well, have you understood where it comes from? Have you ever thought of what you can use it for?
Elementary, my dear Doctor. Groundwater comes from the rain, snow, and other forms of precipitation. The water flows along the ground until it runs off into a body of water and is absorbed, which is where the ground is
where it is filtered by gravel, sand, and clay, and then stays in the earth in a tank with hard bedrock for its base. It stays there indefinitely until it is either tapped by humans, moves to another body of water, or is taken out of the ground by vegetation.
The natural holding tank is called the saturated zone, and the top of that, which is used by humans, is called the water table. That still doesn't explain why you said you discovered it.
Well, Doctor, groundwater is used by half the population of the United States, not to mention all the wildlife. And it's the main water used in irrigation. Sadly, it's been polluted by radiation from nuclear power plants and toxins from septic tanks, and also from oil and gasoline from vehicles. And those get into the soil and also from other sources. Now, this makes it dangerous to both humans and animals alike. Imagine if we didn't have clean water for farming and drinking, and what if animals didn't have clean drinking water?
Something has to be done. We could try and clean the saturated zone, but that's deep within the earth, so it would have to be so difficult to get down there. And probably pretty expensive.
Yes.
If we dug new wells, the contamination water has a chance of seeping in there too. There's only one way to stop the groundwater contamination. At the source. We can do this by telling others of the potential hazards of groundwater contamination and make them remain alert.
After all, groundwater is one of our most important and underappreciated resources.
Perfect.